Ngasi ki newsletter asita huchik national level when ukhru da shanaripa Shirui Lily Cup football tournament ki history kitang yang minase. Shirui Lily Cup football tournament asi 1973 da hauki. Tournament asi hauki ba ki wari asi yam interesting way. Ukhru District Sports Association utsa ki binary member sing na haiba ki record matung yinda marup mapang makhoi mga taruk phamung da wari sharaga hauthok pani hai. Loinana tournament asi ki ahanba trophy cup asi atu matamda ukhru da BWT ki assistant engineer oina leiramba Imphal ki L Lokendro Singh na donate tawpi khibani siki matang da ukhru District Sports Association ki binary amasung former president Dr. Manik Shaiza na ashum hai.
First Shiroi Cup asi 1973 da hobune ashiki cup asi atu matamda PWD da AE toramba Mr. Loken donate to Bibani. Ukhrul District Sports Association shi Hanna East District Sports Association oina leirambane. Ajumbadi East District Sports Association ashi Tanghul Sporting Association ne ki lakbane. Tanghul Sporting Association shi na Hanna Sisimit Trophy Anirak Lorambane 1965 ko 66 ta adu mara mama oiduna pen to khibagi Tanghul Sporting Association ashi East District Sporting Association da on gibini hojik Sani Riba ashi 29 Shiroi Lily Cup ne adu achumbadi ashi 39 Shiroi Lily Cup oigadabane karigino hairaga chahi tara 2012 to 2020 shi sanadabane aina ashi haibadi Shiroi Lily Cup ashi one of the oldest football tournament ne next to Sir Churachan Memorial Football Meet ne aigoi Shiroi Lily Kapashi Amphade affiliate Tojabane Aduga one of the first state football tournament Aduga Hojikti national level football tournament Oikarapane.
Zilla asiki football history asi Britain taki 1894 da ukhru da lakpa Christian missionary William Pettigrew lakpa taki hauki. Christian missionary asinda Christian dharma khak purakpa oiramti. Western education amasung sports maru waina football shu purakhipani. William Pettigrew na football shanaba ki mong matao kaya takpi tu na organized rules ki makhada ahanba tangkhul chati ki football match asi 1901 da huchik mission ground haina khangnariba ukhru alungtang ki mapham atu da shanaba ki record thangnayi. Atu matam dagi football ki interest asi mathang chawkhatuna matam amada maru waina 1960s matam da tangkhul jati asina Manipur ki football powerhouse waina leidamba ki wari amasung record chu kaya thangnai atu ki tamak 1973 da Shirui Lily tournament asi lingkhatpa ngambani haiba yai. Shirui Lily Cup asi state level taki 2011 da national level football knockout cup ki thak da upgrade tawki. Loinana 2011 da shanaba ahanba national level atu da Imphal East ki AIM Football Club na champion oiki. Huchik jathariba 29 Shirui Lily Cup 2021 sina Shirui Lily Cup ki anishuba national level tournament oi. 29 Shirui Lily Cup football tournament asida team darana shuruk yaki atu marakta team ani sina mapan state ki oi. Football shanaba si tangkhul jati ki tambaksu khwaida ki maru oipa sports amani haipe yai. Jati asida ki national amasung international level da shana khraba ki record chu kya thangnai. Malem ki mapham ataida fangdaba Manipur ki state flower Shirui Lily ki ming thonduna phamung da wari sharaga hauthokpa Shirui Lily football tournament asi huchikchi ukhru zilla amasung state khak natana India ki social unifying force ama oire haibe yai. Ukhru zilla ki tamakti Shirui Lily football tournament si sports ki khwaita ki maru oipa motivational force ama oi.